Hello out there in Dataland, my name is Robert Pound and I am a product technologist at Quest. This video shows how to use the dimensional viewer files of ToadDataPoint in the automation process. So I will walk through the options for dimensional files in automation. You can either export or publish the data. These options are similar to those found in the dimensional viewer itself. The details for both export and publish can be found in the previous video on dimensional viewer files. I'll walk through a simple scenario where a table is updated in Toad Intelligence Central Server and the summary data for that table is emailed out to the team through the use of the dimensional viewer file. On screen we have the dimensional viewer file that we had used in a previous video, and it has been saved. So I will first open up an automation script by clicking Automate at the top. I will then choose Dimensional Viewer from the Database Activities list. And again, we have two options. We can either export the file or we can publish the file to either local storage or Toad Intelligence Central Server. For this video, I'm going to choose the summary information in the dimensional viewer file and choose export. So I will click the export options button. And the only option we have is Excel. So I will choose the dimensional user name for the export, and again we can rename the tabs. This one is a little bit long, so I'm going to shorten it, and we can overwrite if we so choose, which I'm going to do, and I'm going to go ahead and click OK because I'm going to accept all the defaults. So this will allow us to export all the data in the dimensional viewer file to an Excel file. If we want, we can also publish to local storage or Toad Intelligence Central Server. If we wanted to do that, we could again choose the dimensional viewer file. And for local storage, we could select the database. I don't have a connection currently, but we could select the database and then the table. For Toad Intelligence Central Server, we just use the publishing wizard. And again, it's the same from the dimensional viewer file itself, so you choose the destination folder. Publishing details, this allows you to exclude any files that you do not want to add and rename the tabs. And then your sharing options as well. I'm going to go ahead and cancel out of this because I'm not going to publish, and I'm going to go ahead and delete this shape. So for the scenario itself, let's go ahead and choose Execute Script. So when this automation runs, it will publish all the information in the user table to this new shareable data set on Toad Intelligence Central Server. And we're exporting the summary of that data from the dimensional viewer. So the last thing we need to do is choose Send Email. And let me go ahead and get the correct address in there. And let me go ahead and copy it. And obviously you wouldn't be emailing it to just yourself, but for the purposes of this demo, that's what I'm going to be doing. And we'll give it a subject, demo dim 123. And let's go ahead and attach that file. So this is the file that we created in the dimensional viewer step. I'm going to go ahead and add it to the email and click OK. And now we have the completed script. Let me go ahead and save that real quick. And let me go ahead and just use this. I'll overwrite it. And we will go ahead and run it. And the automation is now complete. We could view the exported dimensional viewer file here, and it will open up the data. We can wait for the email, which just arrived. So let me go ahead and open that up. And now we can see we've emailed out our team, in this case just me, but we can open up the same summary of data. We can have a look at the data, see if there's anything that we need to investigate, and if we need to, then we can go check out Toad Intelligence Central Server and look at the full data And that's all I had to share today about dimensional viewers and automation. So hopefully this video helped you understand a little bit more about the options in the automation as far as dimensional viewers. For more information on this product, visit www.quest.com/products/Toad Data Point. You can also check out the community-driven innovation going on at www.toadworld.com. Thank you and have an excellent day.